Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to find your SpotHero reservation. So if you can't remember where your booking is or need to access your parking pass, then just follow along. First, open the SpotHero app and then sign into your account. And once you're logged in, tap on My Reservations. Here you'll see your upcoming, active and past parking reservations. Then tap on any reservation to view its full details. You will be able to see the parking address, reservation date and time, entry instructions, parking pass, receipt, and any additional information provided by parking facility. And if you booked through the SpotHero website, you can also sign in there using the same account to view your reservation history. You can also search your email inbox for your SpotHero confirmation email if you're unable to locate the reservation in the app. If you can still not find your reservation, you need to make sure you're signed in with the same email address that you used when you were booking. So that was how to find your SpotHero reservation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.